Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's exciting topic of glossy versus matte tiles, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more fantastic content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a tile-tastic update. Today we're breaking down the pros and cons of these tiles, considering some key aspects: cleaning, maintenance, safety and application, and of course, functionality. Cleaning. Glossy tiles with their smooth surface make spills a breeze to wipe off. A quick swipe and you're good to go. Matte tiles, on the other hand, hide those little smudges until you get around to cleaning. Maintenance. Glossy tiles may require a bit more attention to keep that shine, but trust me, the effort is worth it. Matte tiles offer a low-maintenance alternative without compromising on style. Always safety first, right? Glossy tiles, while stunning, can be a bit slippery when wet. Matte tiles with their textured surface provide a safer option, especially in areas prone to spills. Last but not least, functionality. Glossy tiles add a touch of luxury to your space, perfect for creating a statement. Matte tiles with their subtle elegance create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Let us conclude, for areas like bathrooms where safety is a top priority, consider the warmth and texture of matte tiles. They offer a secure footing, especially beneficial for our beloved seniors who deserve comfort and style in every corner of their homes. When it comes to high-traffic areas like the kitchen and living room, glossy tiles step into the spotlight. They're not just a stunning visual statement, but also easy to clean, perfect for busy households where spills are a part of the daily hustle. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more home inspiration.